This AI response cost me nothing because it's running on my laptop, not an expensive cloud API. If you're paying for API calls, this cloud API costs add up and you're sending private data to a third party. A tool called Ollama lets you run AI on your own machine for free in minutes. Ollama is a free, open-source tool that runs large language models on your machine. You get full control and total privacy with no API keys or net. Go to Ollama.com and click the download button for your OS. The installer is a simple, one-click process that takes less than a minute to complete. Open your terminal and type Ollama run Llama 3. It downloads the model, then you have a private, local Llama 3 instance ready for your prompts. Ollama has a huge library of open-source models. To get a new one, just use the pull command like Ollama pull Mistral. The real power is analyzing private files locally. Just pip install Ollama and use the Python client. Your data never leaves your machine. Build your own private ChatGPT without paying for APIs. A simple Node.js backend can expose your local model to any web app you create. Create specialized agents using a model file. Just set a system prompt to define a custom role like a code reviewer and build it for repeated use. The ecosystem is growing fast with local-first tools like Flakestorm. This community is building the private, customizable tools that cloud APIs can be aware of hardware needs. While smaller models are fine on a modern laptop with 16 GB of RAM, larger ones require a powerful GPU. So should you switch? For developers building AI features, the answer is a definite yes. You get complete privacy and zero cost per request for prototyping. Start with Llama 3.8b for general chat and use code Llama for coding. If speed is critical on limited hardware, grab Mistral 7b. That's the recipe. Install Ollama, pull a model, and use the client library. Grab my starter repo from the description to start building your own private AI.